In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import products from AliExpress to Shopify with DSers. We'll go step by step so you can follow along on your own screen. To start, open your Shopify admin dashboard. At the top of the page, you'll see the main search bar. Click on that search bar, then from the drop-down menu that appears, choose the option for apps. In the search field, type DSers and press enter on your keyboard. This tells Shopify that you're looking for the DSers app in the Shopify App Store. Next, look through the search results and find the DSers app. Once you've located it, click to open its page and then click the install button. Shopify will walk you through a few installation prompts. Just follow these on-screen instructions carefully, and when asked, make sure you authorize the connection so DSers can integrate with your Shopify store. This connection is what allows products to be transferred smoothly from AliExpress into your Shopify catalog. When DSers is installed, the next thing you need is the DSers Chrome extension. Open a new tab, go to Google and search for DSers Chrome extension. Open the official result from the Chrome Web Store and click Add to Chrome. Confirm the installation. This extension will let you add products directly from AliExpress into DSers with one click. Now, open your AliExpress account in Chrome. Browse and find a product you want to import into your Shopify store. When you hover your mouse over the product, you should see an option that says Add to DSers. Click that button. The extension will capture the product details and send them to your DSers account, ready for review. Next, go back to your DSers account. On the left-hand panel, look for the section called Import List and click it. Here, you'll see the product you just added from AliExpress. Hover over that product and click Push to Store. A window will pop up. In this window, under Store Selection, check the box for the Shopify store you want to send the product to. Then check the boxes that match your preferences, such as how you want the product to be published. When you're ready, click the Push to Stores button at the bottom right. Finally, return to your Shopify admin. On the left-hand panel, click on Products. You'll now see that the product you selected on AliExpress has been successfully imported and appears in your Shopify product list, ready for any final edits and for you to start selling.